Hello, in this video, I will show you how to insert telephone location sign in MS Word. So first I need to open my on-screen keyboard. Then you have to press Alt key and then you have to press 9990 from the numeric side keypad. Make sure your num lock is on. So now I am pressing 9990 and release the Alt key. And here you can see that the telephone location sign has been inserted. Here you can increase the size of your telephone symbols, and here you can change the color of telephone symbols as per your choice. So here I am inserting the short code Alt plus 9990. That is the shortcut key. So I hope this video helpful to you. If you like the video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.